Everyone wants a comeback, but most people wait for motivation to strike first. The truth is, motivation doesn't start the comeback. Momentum does. So here's a simple, no-excuse routine to get your life back on track. Nothing fancy, just real actions that work. 1. Make a task list for the day. Only 3 things. No long to-dos, just 3 important tasks that actually matter. 1 for your body, 1 for your mind, and 1 for your goals. Example, workout. Study 1 chapter, finish that project. Finish those, and your day's already a win. 2. Move your body for at least 30 minutes. No gym, no problem. Go for a walk, push-ups, yoga, anything. You're not working out for abs, you're training your discipline muscle. Every rep is proof that you can keep promises to yourself. 3. Fix your sleep and wake-up time. You can't rebuild focus on a fried brain. Pick 1 consistent wake-up time and stick to it for 7 days straight. Your brain resets with rhythm, not chaos. 4. Do 1 thing every day that makes you uncomfortable. Message that person, record that video, study that topic you keep avoiding. Growth doesn't come from comfort, it comes from confrontation. 5. Journal every night for 5 minutes. Write 3 things. What went right today, what you could have done better, what you'll do tomorrow. That's how you track progress and build awareness, not guilt. 6. Keep your phone away for the first and last hour of the day. No scrolling when you wake up, no mindless dopamine before sleep. This 1 habit alone will change how present and focused you feel. 7. Plan your next day before you go to bed. Lay out your clothes, set your goals, prepare your space. Waking up to clarity instead of chaos, that's how you win the morning. Your comeback doesn't need hype, it needs structure. Small, disciplined actions stacked every day. Because when your days have order, your mind finds peace. And that's when the real comeback begins.